Sugriva's coronation. Before dying, Bali handed his mighty son Angada to Lord Rama. He asked Rama to accept Angada as his servant. Bali instructed Angada to stand by his uncle Sugriva and assist in the divine work of Lord Rama. Bali finally died. After the death of Bali, his wife Tara started weeping bitterly. Rama consoled her and pacified her. Rama sent Lakshman and all other monkeys to Kishkindha for the coronation of Sugriva. Sugriva had recaptured his kingdom and regained his wife Ruma. Angada, the son of Bali, was made heir apparent of Kishkindha. He joined Rama's army and was given important responsibilities in Rama's war against Ravana. Rama did not go to Kishkindha as he was following his father's orders to stay in forest for 14 years. Rama and Lakshman went to live in a cave in the forest on Pravarshan mountain near Kishkindha. Monsoon passed and winter season arrived, but there was no news of Sita. Rama was upset because after becoming the king of Kishkindha, Sugriva had not put in any effort to help him search for Sita. Rama thought that Sugriva had forgotten about his promise after being attracted by the temptation of his kingship. Sugriva keeps his promise. Sugriva was so much absorbed in his kingship that he forgot his promise to help Rama. Rama became angry at this and sent Lakshman to Kishkindha to fetch Sugriva. Meanwhile, Hanuman reminded his master of his commitment. Just then, Lakshman arrived there. He was very angry. Sugriva welcomed him warmly and apologized for his mistake. Lakshman forgave him and they all went to meet Rama. Sugriva apologized to Rama for forgetting about his promise. Rama forgave him and asked him to start Sita's search soon. Sugriva instructed his monkey generals to go towards the south in order to begin the search for Sita. Dividing his men into groups led by his generals Hanuman, Neela, Angad and Bear Jambavan, Sugriva gave them a month's time to finish their search and come back with the news of Sita's whereabouts. Anyone who would not return within the stipulated time would be punished by Sugriva. Having full faith in Hanuman, Rama blessed him personally and gave his ring to him and instructed him to give it to Sita after confirming her that he was Rama's messenger. All monkeys then greeted Rama, Lakshman and Sugriva and headed towards the south to begin their search for Sita. Monkeys search for Sita. Monkeys searched for Sita in every forest. They asked every Brahmin, sage and passerby who met them on their way. They all were very tired and thirsty but could not find water. Hanuman climbed over the mountain's peak and looked around. At some distance, he saw a cave in the ground where many birds were entering. He took all the monkeys there and entered the cave. Inside the cave was a beautiful garden with a pond. There was a temple and a lady was sitting there. Monkeys drank water and ate tasty fruits. The lady then asked everyone to close his eyes. They opened their eyes after some time and found that they were on the seashore. The monkeys were worried as 1 month had passed, but they had no news of Sita. Just then, a vulture named Sampati saw them. He thought of eating them, but his intentions changed when he heard the news of his brother Jatayu's death from Angada. He decided to help the monkeys. He informed that through his sharp vision, he could see Sita on the other side of the sea, sitting tense in Ashokavan in Lanka, the kingdom of demon king Ravana. Hanuman recalls his powers. Sampati the vulture told the monkeys that whosoever could cross the giant sea would be able to find Sita. Everyone was puzzled because they knew about their inability to cross the ocean. At that moment, Jambavan reminded Hanuman that he was the son of Vayu and had inherited all his unmatched divine powers. Hanuman was able to recall his powers. He increased the size of his body to match the size of a mountain and began to fly over the sea and the seashore. He was excited to discover his powers. The monkeys were happy to see him flying. Now everyone became confident that Hanuman would cross the ocean very easily and reach Ashokavan to meet Sita. Hanuman greeted Jambavan and instructed all the monkeys to wait for him at the seashore till he returned from Lanka. Then, carrying the ring which Rama had given to him, he flew towards the south over the sea to meet goddess Sita.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.